Good afternoon. This is Brent Crandall with the Blain Depot. We are out here on a pretty lovely day as far as summer goes. I think it only got up into the 80s today. Our customer just recently expanded their porch. They had a screen here and they had a screen there. Sorry, that's Chad. And they had us add these screens out here. Now these are universal motion screens. There are now 5 of them. We did 3. So these are TuffScreen No-See-Um fabric, which is nearly invisible when it's down. You can see as it goes up, we're actually going to open up this space quite a bit. So we didn't do anything for solar protection, and we might have if the customer would have wanted it, because this opening right here is west facing. So she may decide to come back later and do something that's a little bit tighter on the solar front. But it basically screens off her entire porch, so we are bug free, and there is a lot of water because of sprinklers and irrigation out here. So, but it's a lovely view of the golf course. They mow it several times a day. I'm going to run out to the outside here and drop these shades, and we're going to see exactly what they look like when they're down. They're pretty invisible from the inside. I'm going to drop them all down here really quick. Come on, Chad. As you drop them back down, you can definitely see the black. They're black because it's easier to see through. Much easier to see through than any other color. It tends to absorb the light and not transmit it through. So when they're down, you can see we have now screened off the entire porch. And this is a universal motion screen product. We use the Somfy 16-channel remote control so that she can have individual control of all of these shades. Let me go around this other side here really quick. So it's individual control or group control, and if she just wants to let one of them up to let the dog out, we can do that too. So there's around the side. Everything is beautiful. So if you want us to do this for you, we'll be more than happy to help you out. Our number is 972-644-9411. You can also reach us at blinddepotdfw.com. And again, if you don't know what the DFW stands for, then you're probably not in our service area. We're going to go enjoy a cold drink, and another job well done from us here at the Blain Depot. Y'all have a great day. Thanks.